Good evening, everybody. Sean Mullen here. We'll be having a fantastic Friday and looking forward to the weekend. I hope you do some positive stuff in your life this weekend. Um, but I just came on to do a quick live before I go to do my night shift. Um, Driving home with my wife Cherie, we were talking, and she came up with one of her quotes. It's a process to progress. The meaning of that, as she explained it, which I understand now, and you can apply it to your business, is that a lot of people are coming on into knowledge style or any online business, and they don't understand the process before they can progress to the goals and where they want to be. It takes time, takes patience, takes effort, takes work. Everything's a process. You can't come in the business and expect 30 days to make $10,000 a month. It's just not going to happen. It really isn't. Sorry to say, it's never going to happen. It's a process. You might take 6 months to make $10,000 a month. Richard and John gave me a 6 month um, goal to become diamond. It's a big hill to climb, but but I know it's a process in 6 months to get there and do what I need to do en route to that end result. So, take for instance, building. Like we have a new airport being built. We got a hotel that's being built. All that was a process. So our airport, it took 2 years to get that sorted before they even did the groundwork to get started. It take another 2, 3 years to complete it. So everything's a process to progress. So just keep that in mind when you're doing this business. It's a process. It's going to take some time, effort, and hard work. So you guys have an awesome weekend. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.